Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to install Google Drive in Windows 10 laptop. So let's start. This is my Windows 10 and I just open here the Google Chrome and go to the right hand side and click on the Google Apps icon, and here have a Google Drive option. Just click on it and wait for the few seconds, it will open. Okay, so now go to the right hand side and click on this three dot, customize and control Google Chrome. Just drag below and click on the cast, save and share option. Okay, then click on the install Google Drive, and here you see the one dialog box is pop up, install app Google Drive. Just click on the install and that's it, your Google Drive is installed. With this, would you like to pin Google Drive to your taskbar? Just click on the yes and that's it. I just close these, go to the desktop, and here you see your Google Drive install. Okay, and here you can see in taskbar also the Google Drive is pinned. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.